In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple image gallery in Dreamweaver. Let's dive right in and start by opening Dreamweaver on your computer. Dreamweaver is a fantastic tool for web development, offering a visual and code-based approach to creating websites. Once you have Dreamweaver open, go ahead and open your HTML page. This is the page where we'll be creating the image gallery. If you don't have one, you can create a new HTML file. Having a dedicated page ensures your gallery is neat and organized. Now, click on Split View. This is a handy feature in Dreamweaver because it allows you to see both the code and the design view simultaneously. This dual view is particularly useful because you can immediately see how changes in the code affect the design. In the body section of your HTML document, add the following code snippet. It will create a container for your images. Type or paste this: html.dv class gallery. Image0sor image1.jpg. Image0sor image2.jpg. Image0sor image3.jpg. This code sets up a div with a class of gallery and includes 3 placeholder images. Using divs with classes is crucial as it allows for flexible styling later on. Now let's style the gallery. In the head section of your HTML, add this CSS code. It will make your gallery look clean and organized. Use this: css.style gallery she display flex gap 10px img she width 200px. What this does is use a Flexbox layout for the gallery, spacing out the images evenly. Flexbox is a powerful layout tool that ensures your gallery is responsive and looks good on different screen sizes. Make sure your images are in the same folder as your HTML file. This is important because it ensures the paths to your images are correct. If they are not in the same folder, Dreamweaver won't be able to find them. Next, replace the placeholder image names with your actual image file names. This step is key because it links the images you've chosen to appear in your gallery. Double-check that the names match exactly, including the file extensions. After making these changes, it's time to save your file. This step is critical because it ensures all your hard work is recorded. You can save by clicking the save icon or pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard. Finally, click on Live View or press F12 to see your gallery in action. This is where the magic happens. Live View lets you interact with your design as if it were live on the web, giving you a clear picture of the final product. And there you have it. You've just created a simple image gallery in Dreamweaver. Remember, practice and experimentation are key in web development. Keep refining your skills and exploring new features. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!